In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up QuickBooks Online. Backing up your financial data is an essential step to ensure that your business records are safe and secure. QuickBooks Online makes this process straightforward, and in just a few steps, you can create a manual backup of your data. Whether you're preparing for a system update, troubleshooting, or just want extra peace of mind, this tutorial will guide you through every part of the process. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to create an account and get started. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Open your web browser, navigate to QuickBooks Online, and enter your account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard, which is the starting point for everything in this tutorial. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a gear. This is the settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains a variety of options to customize and manage your QuickBooks experience. From the drop-down menu, find and select the option labeled Backup Company. Clicking this will take you to a new screen specifically designed for managing your backups. On the Backup Management screen, you'll see an option called Run Manual Backup. This is the feature we'll use to create a backup file. Locate this option, and when you're ready, click on Run Manual Backup to initiate the process. At this point, QuickBooks Online will begin compiling all your data into a backup file. Depending on the size of your records, this might take a few moments. Be patient and let the system complete the process. It's working to ensure that every detail is saved. Once the backup process is complete, it's a good idea to double-check that everything went smoothly. To do this, look for the list of previous backups on the same screen. Here, you should see the newly created backup file listed. Verifying its presence ensures that your data has been successfully saved. And that's it. You've now completed a manual backup of your QuickBooks Online data. Remember, regularly backing up your information is a critical habit for protecting your business records. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.